Welcome to this tutorial on how to trigger different emergency alerts in the Fusion app. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can trigger an emergency alert as a user from the mobile application. Let's get started. First, we will take a look at how to launch a preset emergency PTT call and an emergency message. Start by opening the Fusion app. At the top of the screen, you will see two options, one to trigger an emergency message and the other to trigger an emergency call. Press and hold the emergency call button for 3 seconds. You will see that the emergency talk group call is launched. If this emergency call is set up with automatic triggering of an emergency message, a message will also be sent along with the call. The emergency call has the highest priority and will take precedence over any other talk group or channel conversation. It will even override external phone calls. From here, simply press the blue push-to-talk button to speak. If your device has a dedicated emergency button, you can also assign it to trigger the emergency call instead of doing it through the app. When the situation is resolved, you can end the call to stop the emergency. Now let's look at how to trigger an emergency message. Go to the top of the app, but this time press and hold the emergency message button. This will trigger an emergency message that includes the custom message set up in the emergency profile by your Fusion admin, along with the user's location. Inside the conversations thread, you will have the option to end the emergency. Recipients of the emergency alert will also have the ability to end the alert. Please note that if you do not see either of the emergency options at the top of the app, your account may not yet be set up with an emergency profile. Reach out to your administrator to confirm that you have been properly added. The last emergency alert option is upgrading a talk group call to an emergency. To do this, you first need to launch a talk group call. From the talk group PTT page, you will see an option to upgrade the call to an emergency call. This will launch the emergency call to all users who are affiliated with the talk group at the time the call is upgraded. The call will then take priority, and receiving users will see that it has been upgraded to an emergency call. You can take the floor by pressing and holding the PTT button in the middle of the page. Note that upgrading a call to an emergency does not apply to channels. And that's it. You now know how to trigger emergency alerts from your mobile app. Thank you for following this tutorial.